Get down with the groove. Understanding Boogie Down. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fun and musical expression, Boogie Down. You may have heard it in songs, movies, or someone just said it at a party. But what does it really mean? Let's break it down together and get our groove on with the phrase, Boogie Down. The phrase, Boogie Down, is made up of two words, boogie and down. To boogie means to dance, especially to rock music or funk. It's a word that captures the spirit of fun and energy on the dance floor. When you add down to boogie, it emphasizes the action, suggesting to dance with abandon or to get into the rhythm wholeheartedly. So, when someone says, "Let's boogie down," they mean, let's dance and have a great time. Boogie Down comes from the American disco scene of the 1970s. Boogie, originally as a term associated with the blues, a style of music that influenced rock and roll. The down part is a slang that adds emphasis, commonly used in African American vernacular English to give force to the verb it follows. The Bronx, one of the 5 boroughs of New York City, is often referred to as the Boogie Down Bronx, which further popularized this phrase. Let's look at how to use Boogie Down in everyday conversation. It's not just for parties or dancing. It can also express excitement or readiness to enjoy any activity. Example 1. After the exam, let's go to the beach and boogie down. Example 2. I can't wait for the concert tonight. We are going to boogie down. Example 3. They played my favorite song, so I had to boogie down. Understanding phrases like boogie down also helps you connect with cultural references in music, film, and television. It reflects a time of cultural shifts in the United States and the joy associated with dance and music from that era. When you use phrases like this, you're not just learning language. You're learning history and culture. That's it for our look at the phrase, Boogie Down. We hope you had as much fun learning about it as people do when they're actually boogieing down. Remember, learning English isn't just about memorizing words and grammar, it's about getting into the rhythm of the language and culture. Until next time, keep dancing to the beat of English learning, and we'll see you in the next video.